New Photocard pickups. I've switched. Some of these were the lucky draws that dropped in Korea. So yeah, let's take a look. Picked up some IVE members on here. Boy. There we go. Got the IVE members. Picked up Eugen. So yeah, Eugen there. This one from Soundwave. This one from Soundwave as well. Another one here, Music Korea. This one from With Moo. This one from MMT. This one, Soundwave. Then this one Young right here from Soundwave as well. But yeah, just a quick Photocard haul. Stay tuned for my new jeans. How Sweet album coming out. I have it soon, so stay tuned. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.